we are here to build the biggest network marketing company in the world.
Everything fits, it feels like I'm part of an amazing project.
If you want different results, you have to make different choices.
It's really something that touches my heart, and I hope will touch the hearts of many people.
The best of the best in the network marketing industry.
We are here for the long term, so let's bring it on.
Thank you all to be here and celebrate our birthday.
We bring equality to the world. We are busy making from this world a better place to live.
It's all for you.